This is sailing vessel Vittoria heading south.
Okay, alright, go back there. Go ahead.
The world is changing. In our backyards, across distant lands and oceans, everyday people are transforming the way we power our lives. Our journey is to uncover their stories. This is why we explore. To see the future, to draw a new map of what's possible and where we're going.
These batteries here are essentially just automotive batteries that Tesla is also using in their cars.
Red is really bad.
Sunday, when y'all are in the Noose River, that's going to be interesting. We call that the Noose Ocean.
He did talk about that hurricane.
It wasn't as dangerous.
We still have quite a ways to go before we reach our destination.
We're inspired by people that had crazy ideas.
I was blown away because I didn't expect an electric motor to show up on a dock.
A sailboat represents freedom. In the same manner, renewable energy is about freedom.
Number one, it's better for the planet. Number two, it actually makes economic sense.
We're doers and dreamers, out to prove that ideas big and small can make a difference. And taking a risk is what makes life an adventure.